Hey guys, welcome to Jordan's Reviews and More yet again. I am doing another unboxing which I forgot to do in the first part of the video. Now, the update on Chewy. My mum has ordered it and it hasn't arrived. The silly courier company, Parcel Force, have not delivered my HBO Halloween Party Online ape suit. I knew I wasn't cut out to be Chewbacca. I knew I wasn't. I'm too short. I'm too annoyed. I'm just... If I have platform shoes on, yeah, fine. But I need a suit. And there's no one out there who has the time and effort to make a costume just for me. Because I'm not part of the 501st. This is the worst year ever. All I want to do is to be Chewbacca and have a good time for Halloween, and I get fuck all. I don't get to do anything like Chewbacca. What's the point on ordering from that website anyway? No point. So, the Wookie project is now gone. It's now gone. It's not a thing no more. I don't think we'll ever get a Wookie costume. I don't think we'll ever get a Wookie costume. Ever. And even if I did get a Wookie costume, which was really highly advanced and everything, it wouldn't be good enough for my taste. I knew I wasn't good enough to be Chewy. I knew I wasn't good enough. Don't hire me to be a costume as Chewy. Just don't. Because I'll fail miserably. And guess who found that ape suit? One of my friends' ex-husbands. You know he's lying because his lips are moving. Lying bastard. And now look at me. I've got fuck all. This is the worst year ever to be a Wookiee. It was on my bucket list all year long to be Chewbacca. And my friends were going to help me. But I get fuck all this year. Now look at me. The Rubies one is absolute trash. It doesn't even look like Chewbacca. It looks like a pile of crap glued onto a costume. The hands are just The mask is just bleh. The feet, no. The belt, bullcrap. Absolute bullcrap costume. Why, Rubies? Why? There's got to be another website which makes prop replica Chewbacca costumes at a cheaper price. But there's not. You've got to pay someone $1,000 odd dosh to make you a Wookiee costume for 6 months, and then when it comes through, you gotta get stilts for it. No. I give up. I give up on being a Wookiee now. I give up on being Chewbacca. I'm not good enough to be Chewie. Never will be. Never will be. And even if I did wear a prop replica Wookie suit, it'd look all baggy on me. I knew my Wookie dreams would never come true. I knew my Wookie dreams would never come true. Ran over. Then again, my mum did say she will sort it out. I don't know how she's going to do it, but she is going to sort it out. So we're going to unbox this thing today. The VTEC and Go Smart Wheels police car. Oh, stupid nails. Why do we have fingernails if we never did have them? They're probably going to fall off from the bedding of the nail and probably bleed out. No, I'm joking. Because if you pull your nail right off the part it's made onto, it would just be flesh and blood. Not good. Okay, this is the VTEC Go Smart Wheels police car. On.
Toot toot, drivers, I'm a toot toot driver's police car. I'll be there when you're in need. Toot toot, don't be afraid to ask for help. Let's go and toot toot toot. Did you get a flat tire? I can help. Pull over. No time to waste.
You can open the front.
To help and try to save the people. Did someone need a hand here? Flashing lights on my car means help is here from the police car.
I bet it takes those AAA batteries. And as you know, I don't have any of them. Highly annoying actually, because I cannot supply people with AAAs because I don't have them. Only if I did, then I could supply people. Surprise, surprise. It does. Why didn't I buy any when I was out today? Or deodorant, or hand soap. Huh? You silly man. I didn't. That's why I'm a stormtrooper. Yeah, so my mum said she'll the Wookie suit out. Yeah, she said she'll sort it out for me. I don't know how, but she just said to me, we'll sort it out. She's good like that. If anything, she is gonna get her husband, my stepdad, to go and get it, because this is fucking me right off. I am so pissed off right now. And now I'm bleeding. Smells of iron. Don't know what I do to myself. Why do humans bleed? It's highly annoying. Now I'm probably bleeding from the end of my finger. This is disgusting. Look at it. Right. Just when I pulled up my nail, it started to bleed. All my hands are bleeding. Ew. This is so gross. I can use it hell over. I don't know, I can do it, don't I? Oh, there, look at that. Squeeze, look at all of that. No, I'm being gross with it. It's on now. I just leave it to, obviously, like, I don't know why I bleed. Highly annoying. I hate nails and I hate all these lemon nails and blood and stuff. As humans gotta go through. Why the hell do we bleed out blood? Why not like orange juice or cotton candy? That'd be nice. So if you cut yourself, you'd be like, I've cut myself. Delicious. My blood tastes yummy. I don't know why I'm talking about blood at the minute. It's kind of vulgar. And gross. There we go. Stupid hands, stupid skin.
Hi, I'm a helpful police car. How can I help? Did you get a flat? Let's roll. Police car is up to help with trying to save the people.
I'm a happy kitten, I love to sing. Sing, sing, sing with me. Yeah, I love it. I'm a happy kitten, I love to sing. Sing, sing, sing with me. Yeah! Let's listen to some classical music.
There we go. Please.
Did someone need a hand? Let's see.
Right. Let's look at the VTEC Go Smart Wheels pamphlet. We get more cars. So I'll go from the top. More cars. Switch and go diners. The VTEC carriages. Cool. More princess stuff. Why? Mickey Mouse stuff. And more princess stuff. and use VTEC. Instructions saying, obviously, you know. Ah, bloody hell. Replace batteries are also good. We know what to do. We know what to do. We're not stupid human beings, are we? We never will be. So you know. Oh. So I get paid cuts as well on my hands. Because I didn't realise how dangerous stormtroopers are. I'm joking. Yeah, stormtroopers are dangerous. Chewie. There we go. That was the unboxing of the VTEC police car and me pulling my nails off my fingers. No, I'm joking. They weren't getting pulled off, but because I did it with so much force, they could have got pulled off the bedding with a nail, and that would have been good. That would just be lethal, and that'd be a lot of blood everywhere. Don't ask me why I'm gross. Okay. Let's see what VTEC offers for the Princess range, shall we? I don't know why I brought in the instructions. So this is the one from the Bell one. We get Bell, Ariel, Rapunzel, okay, Cinderella, Anna and Elsa, Ash, I think, yeah, okay, Aurora. Okay, we get them ones, and then we get the instructions for them. Don't need them, that's such a good race. Next one is from the Cinderella one. Oh no. Yeah, this is one of the Cinderella one. Let's have a look, shall we? Who do we get? Cinderella, Ariel, Belle, I don't know, Sleeping Beauty, Aurora, Rapunzel, Snow White. Cool. And all them, we get them ones. And the last one from the other one, I think this is one that was, I think that was from the VTEC one. Sleeping Beauty, Aurora. Not sure. Never will be sure on weddings. And then the instructions should say what to do with batteries, obviously. You know what to do. Replace them. Yeah, it says. Replace batteries. We get it. We get it what to do. We get what to do. And again, this one, well, the other one, obviously says up. Another leaflet. Oh god, here we go. Not more leaflets. So this goes. Okay, we get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. By the way, I'm blind, so I don't know what I'm doing. And again, it says change batteries. Bloody hell. Yeah. That's what I gotta do with them, change batteries before first use. Ah, hang on. How about you shut up? And then I'll change batteries. The robot dinosaur. And that was all the instructions and manuals from the VTEC toys. The guides and stuff. What you can buy. Don't want me stupid now. Yeah. Please enjoy. Oh. Found another screw from the box. The VTEC toy one. And yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Sorry for ranting, but my mum said she will obviously sort it out so I can be Chewy for Halloween next year. If not, I can do my TIE Fighter pilot. I'll show you how to put that on another video so you don't miss out. Enjoy the video, guys. Just enjoy.